Okay, so we have here a 1998 Volvo S70, and this car we brought from Ohio as a loaner, and it's got to go back to Ohio. But it was having a really hard time starting when it was cold. So, the owner said, why don't you change his plugs and the rotor and the cap and see what happens, because I think that's the problem. So I went online and bought a Bosch cap with all the wires. It wasn't a Bosch cap, it was a Bremy cap, a Bosch rotor, and 5 Bosch spark plugs, and I just replaced them. This is what came out of this car. It is not looking good. Spark plugs, they're all like that. They don't look good at all. This is a 5-cylinder non-turbo, so it's a very reliable car, but like I say, it was having a hard time starting, especially when it was cold. So I'm gonna put it back together and start it up, see how it goes. Okay, so I didn't show you what the actual cap looked like inside. As you can see, all the contacts are all burned, so that's not a good, that wasn't helping. And then the rotor, you see the end on it, it's all burnt. You can see it here. Let me see. Like, let me see. You can see you could see it. It's all burnt. So that's not a good sign. So this car hasn't started in a couple of days, which is when it normally has the problem. So let's see what happens now. Started right up. Oh, okay. Oh, well, I'm not saying that fixes all the cold starting problems on the car, but on this one, it definitely, it seems like it did. So, cost me $100, and hopefully the car will start fine. Right.